I got it yesterday finally, and when I was looking at it, when I was trying it on, I was like, I do have a new favorite bag. Don't tell my other bags. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, to my little corner of the internet here where we talk about luxury designer handbags. So today I have a very exciting one. I was waiting for this bag for 2 months. I remember I ordered it on the 7th of January and it's been 2 months, and 2 months can feel really long if you're waiting for a handbag. So I went on Fashionphile one evening again and I saw the most beautiful Chanel Gabrielle bag I have ever seen, and when that one came out, actually I think it was the end of 2017, beginning of 2018, at that time I did not buy the bag. I did have a Gabrielle bag in the past that was made out of tweed, and when I saw the new one, the bag that I actually got right now, I fell head over heels in love with this version of the Gabrielle bag. So I sold my old version of the Gabrielle bag, but yeah, this one was actually sold out pretty quickly, so there was no chance for me of actually getting the bag. Of course I was looking out for other Gabrielle bags that came out within the past 2 years. However, I have never seen a Gabrielle more beautiful than the one I'm about to show you. This is also confirmation for me as well that this is the bag for me, this is the bag for my collection. I'm not gonna get tired of it, you know. If I'm in love with the bag for 2 years, 2.5 years now, then I know it's probably real love. No, so I actually did see the bag on Fashionphile then, and I was stunned. It was still in excellent condition, and I was looking through every single picture, checking everything, and it looked perfect, it looked like new. So I did actually have to pay about the same amount that the Gabrielle bag costs in terms of retail prices anyway. However, that was worth it for me because the bag was almost like new, and I knew there's no other way of getting it for me, and I wanted to have it in exactly this combination. So here is my beautiful bag. And this is the Chanel Gabrielle in the medium hobo style size, and yeah, I always knew I wanted a medium size. Again, my old Gabrielle, the old tweed Gabrielle that I had once was the same size as this one. However, like I said in my previous video, the handbags I have sold and why that bag was pilling like crazy, the tweed was wearing horribly, so I did decide to let that one go. But yeah, pretty happy that I do have a Gabrielle again in my collection right now, and this one will never ever leave my collection again. I got it yesterday finally, and when I was looking at it, when I was trying it on, I was like, I do have a new favorite bag. Don't tell my other bags. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a very big favorite of mine, and I'm gonna carry it a lot. No matter if it's winter or summer, you're gonna be seeing me carrying this everywhere. So yeah, we also have a Tokyo trip coming up soon. I'm gonna be taking this one to Tokyo, and I could just see myself wear this no matter where in the world. So yeah, really happy that this one made its way into my collection, and yeah, let's get into the bag. So as you can see, it has this beautiful black and gold pattern, and it's stunning, it's breathtaking. And the Gabrielle bag, as you probably know, comes with all 4 kinds of hardware. Let's start with the CC sign. This is the antique gold brushed hardware. Then we have the shiny gold hardware right here on the strap. Then this is the antique silver ruthenium kind of hardware, and we do have the shiny silver hardware mixed into this as well. Yeah, so I was absolutely happy with the condition. Fashionphile always describes their items perfectly. You do know what you're buying and what you're receiving. And when I was checking the bag, it was in absolute excellent condition. There's absolutely no scuffs, nothing on the base. The base is beautiful. Same with underneath. It's in absolute beautiful condition, and the leather as well. So I don't know how close we can get. Can you see how beautifully wrinkled and crinkled the golden bits are? It looks like an old painting almost. So it is a beautiful, beautiful texture. You open it up like this. It has the zipper pull at the top. And I currently have everything inside here that the bag came with. So, whoops. The bag did come with the felt that protects the bottom part of the Gabrielle bag. It did come with its original dust bag. So that is amazing. And of course it comes with the Fashionphile dust bag, and it's pretty nice that they wrap it in kind of 2 dust bags when they ship it, so you know it's protected. It also did come with a lot of other goodies from Fashionphile. It comes with the typical Fashionphile file with the tag, of course, that's attached to the bag, and once you cut it you do own the bag. You have your thank you card and your Fashionphile Neiman Marcus card that they are collaborating now. You get your receipts, of course, and this one. I was really happy to get this one as well. This is the Fashionphile calendar for the current year, 2020. And you have like a beautiful handbag for every single month. So yeah, this is pretty nice. Pretty nice. This is all the bag came with. So like I said, you have the zipper pull on top, and this is the inside of the bag. You have your zipper compartment right here. Oh wait. You have your zipper compartment right here at the back. And my bag does come with the authenticity card. Here we go. This is the front of the card, and this is the back side. So as you can see, it's a 26 series bag, and yeah, I'm really happy that all my Chanel bags actually still have their original authenticity card. Then furthermore, you have this little key clay, I don't know how you want to call it, inside, where you can just put your keys, and you know, you can always easily find them. And then on the front you have 2 more flap pockets plus Chanel's famous lipstick pocket. Here is the beautiful bag, and my favorite way of wearing the Gabrielle is of course the V style. So you basically hang the bag with the shoulder straps over both of your shoulders, and as you can see, it forms a really nice V. This is the way that the models wear the bag on the runway. This is how we all have seen it multiple times, and it's a really comfortable way. It is really comfortable. And if you want to have a little bit more control over the bag, you can also of course just wear it at the front. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite way. However, there are multiple ways of how you can wear the bag. You can just take the entire strap and just sling it over one of your shoulders. Of course, where's the little CC logo? There it is. What you could also do is this really beautiful fun part where you use the strap and you kind of transform it into like a necklace for the bag. So you twist the strap around its own several times, and then what it does, it basically gives you a little accessory to the bag, and then you can also just of course wear it on your shoulder. So there are some people who actually wear this one, even the medium size, as a clutch. So you could just wear it like this. You could tuck the strap of course inside of the bag, and yeah, it does look really nice. There are some other ways of how you could carry it, however, I think they are the least used. There's the long crossbody, which is way too long, as you can see. There is the short crossbody. You could also, of course, just wear it crossbody like this. And there's also the belt bag style. You start with a V-shape style, and then you just let this chain hang down, and you have kind of a little belt bag. Yeah, pretty nice. I mean, you can definitely experiment a lot with this beautiful, beautiful bag. Yeah, do let me know if you have any Chanel Gabrielle bags in your collection. Do you prefer the medium size, the small size, even the large size? There is a new medium size now that is actually in between the medium size and the small size. For me, I don't know, aesthetically it looks a little bit, I think my eyes need to get used to those kind of proportions. But yeah, it's definitely a good idea because a lot of people complained that this one is too big for them, the small one is too small. So it was, of course, it just made sense that Chanel actually decided to create a new medium size that's in between the medium and the small. I can't wait to actually carry it, and yeah, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and support our little bag family here. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!